Hey guys, it's Evie with another acrylic pour dirty cup. So I'm doing 1 cup this time. My canvas is bare. I haven't put any coating on it, no white or Floetrol. I'm using golden paints with just Floetrol and some of the coconut milk serum. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with white. I don't think I have anything in my white in terms of the coconut serum thingy. So next, let's do red next. No? Yes, let's do red next. This is a cadmium red light. This is a cadmium yellow light. Now I want to put in some more white. Okay, and then put in some blue. This is actually a phthalo blue. I meant to mix a different blue, cobalt blue. I meant to mix cobalt blue, but this is actually phthalo blue. The phthalo blue is, I think, pretty transparent, whereas the cobalt blue is pretty opaque. That's why I wanted the cobalt blue instead. So we'll see what happens. But I've got my blue in. I put my white. I have way too much paint on this. I should not be having all this paint. Okay, so now I can put in some yellow. Oh, I should have put red. I don't like when my yellow and blue mix to give me green. I don't mind orange, but I don't like the green. Okay, so let's flip. I've got plenty of paint on this. This should cover the whole canvas. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. In the meantime, let's do another cup. Okay, in this cup, I will put in some white, some red, okay, and some yellow, use up all my yellow and I have to mix up more paint, and some more white. Where's my white? I have a lot of white in this, so hopefully this will be pretty light. Okay. This is what I'm gonna do. I'll do this. I'm gonna go all the way over here, and I'm gonna go. Ooh! I lost some of my paint. I did. I lost some of my paint. I went too far. I am liking this. This is looking good. Okay, so let's tilt a little bit. I don't want to tilt too much because I don't want to lose my cell structures. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a ribbon pour here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need some more paint. Okay, so let's do some tilting. I'm going to tilt this way a little. Oh, I am loving this. I am loving this. Finally, I'm able to get cells. Hopefully they stay. Okay. That would be nice if they stayed. I think I'm gonna need another cup. Okay, let's get some white. I'm running really low on white, but let's get some white. Okay. And some I've got plenty of yellow, so let's get some yellow in there. Some red. Okay. Let's see what I can do here. Let's mix it up a little. Mix it up a tiny bit. Okay. Let's fill in the gaps. Get some gap right here. Okay. There we go. Filling in the gaps so we don't have to do too much tilting. Okay. We'll do a little bit of tilting, but not too much. Okay, so let's do some tilting. Just a tiny bit. Okay, let's tilt this way. Oh, there's a big white canvas spot. A couple of them that are no more. Okay, let's tilt this way a little. Oh, excellent. Oh, there's another canvas spot right here. There we go. Okay, I think that's good. Enough tilting. So let's get all the sides covered. Let's get all the corners covered. This is so cool. I'm loving this. Let's get all the sides done. Let's check the other side. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Let's get this. Okay. Make sure all the corners are done. And voila. Let's get a closer look. Okay, as you can see, there are lots of awesome cells in there. So if you look up here, I've got lots of yellow. Up in the top left-hand corner, yellow and red. And then I got blue close to the center, more yellow and red at the top corner. You've got some yellow peeking in through the blue.
awesome. And down here is just orange and red and yellow. Lots of cells. This is awesome.